Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode on Unit 9 TV. It's a bit of a sad day today, unfortunately. The time has arrived where we have to put the MR2 out to pasture. Yep, that's right. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, it is going the distance. We're not quite sure whether going the distance means we're going to cut it up and burn it, or whether we might just stick on eBay 99p start. But it got us thinking about all of the fun that we had trying to put some sills in it and the electrical problems, and so here's a little bit of that. So for anybody who wondered in the last video when we said we were going to try and fix the whole it not turning off when you take the key out, and you saw us fail at fixing it after let me change all the fuses and stuff, it was this. This was the culprit. I mean, wow, it's a funny to you, but it stops now when you take the key out. So bonus.
Who in the eye?
Who in the eye?
Who in the eye?
We did the other side last time, but now we're doing the opposite side. There was already some work done, so this isn't as hard. We've got the couple of pieces that we left from last time to fill in, but for the most part, I think we're going to focus on finishing what we've started first. Lemmy's just been in and taken a load of seam sealer and under seal off, which creates a lot of smoke, but you can't weld to it, so it needs to be gone.
Jack it up on the sills, but there's no sills to jack on.
Yo, Lem.
Yo.
Take your car out.
There's more of it than needed outside.
True story, bro.
So this is our shopping list, things to do sort of thing on our project cars. Like you see there, you got your Civic shopping list. That's the lube, or lude. We got Max's Volvo. And the MR2.
So Lemmy's just putting some grey primer on there. That's just to stop it rusting until we get to the next episode. The next episode, you'll probably see this getting itself on a trailer to go to Johnny's to have the engine removed. So as you can see, time hasn't been kind to the MR2. It's just been shoved down the side of the unit, unloved, neglected. If it was a child, it would have been taken off us by Child Protective Services by now. So yeah, I tell you what, if you want this car, I think, should we stick on an eBay again? So here's what we'll do. 99p start, no reserve. If you want this absolute gem of a car to save or to rip apart for parts,
Come and get it.
link in the description. And I hope you enjoyed the episode. We are a little bit sad to see it go.
You will need a trailer.
Yeah, you'll need a trailer. I enjoyed working on this car. but I do kind of wish it would have seen the road again. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Subscribe, tick that little bell if you haven't, make sure you see all the videos, drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. See you next time.